Hey you guys, it's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Daniel of Greeley, Colorado. They canceled our homeowner's insurance after 2 years and having had 3 small claims, less than $1,500 each. Depending on your deductible, which I'm guessing is probably $1,000, you have to really weigh your options here. Let me finish. They gave no warning that the property insurance industry looks down on claims as a whole. We would not have claimed 2 of them if they had told us that their interpretation of the clue index says that 3 smaller claims in 2 years would disqualify us from keeping our insurance. In short, don't use the insurance they sell, in which they charge fairly low premiums for a product that might cost in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is such a scam, and this company does not keep you in good hands. These are the hands that will drop you in a heartbeat. Wow, okay? It's like, I don't know here, right? Like, is it the insurance company's responsibility to tell you, hey, stop filing claims, right? This is what I'm trying to do, is educate the insured property owner and really have them understand, is it the right thing to do to make a claim? Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. It's based on the damage assessment. What is it gonna cost? What is your deductible? All these other things that come together to make a decision on moving forward, okay? That's what we do. We do a coverage analysis. We look at the damage of the property and say, hey, you have a $200,000 deductible, but you have a $2.5 million estimated claim here. I think it's worth moving forward. Now, you have a $1,000 deductible and you have a $1,500 claim. I don't know. You said that you probably wouldn't have claimed 2 of the 3. Like, come on, right? Fair is fair. Sometimes the insurance company's right. Hurts me to say that, just kidding, but it's true, right? Sometimes they're right. And when they assess a risk, remember, insurance companies, the only job that they're really doing after all the other crap is filtered out is mitigating risk. And you become a risk when you're making 3 claims in 2 years for $1,500. It just makes sense, right? Like, the insurance company's thinking, well, they've already made 3 claims in 2 years. What's gonna happen next year? What's gonna happen the year after that, right? So you really have to consider, in this case, you probably shouldn't have made those claims, even to your own admittal, right? Like, do you really wanna take that risk and have the insurance company consider dropping you for 3 really small claims totaling less than $5,000? So anyhow, I digress. You understand where I'm coming from. If you need help, when you need help, and you're getting underpaid, your claim is getting delayed or completely denied for no reason, and you know it's a legitimate claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.